Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you something simple. It's how to change your profile picture in FB or Facebook without having to crop it. Now, I'm showing you right now my desktop and not the phone because the problem is you can only do this on the PC. So if you don't have a PC, then that's very unfortunate because it cannot work on your mobile phone. Now let me show you how it works. So basically, you just go here to pick the camera button, upload a photo. I'm just gonna choose one of the photos that I have here. For example, this map here. And then what you just literally need to do is to not click on crop photo here at all. If you click on crop photo, you can see that it will crop the photo. So just leave that be, and then just click save, just so you can immediately change the profile photo of your whatever your page or your personal account. It's up to you. And we're just waiting for it to upload, and then we'll see the results. So as you can see, the picture has been changed. However, it still has its original size, and it almost fooled you, making you think that you saw it getting cropped, but it hasn't. So yeah, it's very much that simple. You just really need to be on the PC and change your profile picture without clicking on crop photo. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.